Welcome to my algebra class. We're on chapter 5. This is section 3, the first part. We're going to be dividing polynomials by monomials. And what we do is take each term in the polynomial on top and divide it by the monomial. So in this case, 6 goes into 6. I can cancel out the 6's and I have m left. And 6 goes into 36/6 and it's a plus 6. I'm not going to be showing the canceling here because after a while it gets a little too messy and it's hard to see what you're doing, so mentally cancel them out. And you had 2 terms on top here, you'll come out with 2. Second example, we have 2 terms on top separated by a minus sign. So we'll end up with 2 terms. 7 goes into 28/4, and the m cancels with the m, leaving me an n. The negative 49 divided by 7 is negative 7, and the m's cancel, and that's my answer. And the third example, I have 1, 2, 3 terms, so I'll end up with 3 terms. And this is more mental canceling than actually showing it because you're going to lose your variable here. So I know I have 3 terms, I'll end up with 3 terms. The 4 and the 8, they go to 1/2, and I can cancel an x and an x to take out 1x, so that leaves me x to the 5th. Minus 4, 8 goes into 32/4. I can take out 1x, and that leaves me x to the 3rd y. And the third term, the 8's cancel, so that leaves me 1. And I don't have to write that down. Then the x cancels with the x squared, leaving me an x, y. So my answer is x to the 5th over 2 minus 4x cubed y plus xy. And I drop that 1 there. We're ready to do the assignment. So you need your paper and your book open to page 196, and we're doing the 20 problems there, so make sure the paper is headed, title, folded in half. So problem number 2, and copy it down, we have 4x minus 6 over 2. Again, I'm not showing the canceling because I'll lose the denominator. I just know that I have 2 terms, and I'll do it one at a time. 2 goes into 4 2 times, and there's x still there, and then 2 goes into negative 6, negative 3, and that's my answer. Problem number 4, I have 21c plus 35 over 7. 7 goes into 21, 3, and that c stays, and 7 goes into positive 35, positive 5. Number 6, I have 15a plus 25b over 5. Taking each term on top and dividing it by 5. 5 goes into 15a, 3a. 5 goes into positive 25b plus 5b. Problem number 8, I have 24mn minus 16n over 8n. Taking each term on top and dividing it by 8n, 8 goes into 24, 3. The n's cancel out, leaving me the m. Negative 16 divided by 8 is negative 2, and the n's cancel out, so I have 3m minus 2. One way you can check to be sure you're right, besides looking at the answer in the back of the book, is to take your answer here and times it by the 8n and see if you get back the numerator. Number 10, we have 3x squared minus 12x minus 18, and we're dividing it by 3. 3 terms on top, I'll have 3 terms in my answer. 3 goes into 3 once, and then there's just the x squared. 3 into negative 12 is negative 4, and the x stays there, and 3 into negative 18 is negative 6. Number 12, 4u to the third plus 10u squared minus 6u divided by 2u. 2 goes into 4 twice. I can take out a u, so that leaves me u squared. 2 goes into positive 10, positive 5 times, and I can take out a u, leaving me a u. And negative 64 divided by 2 is negative 32 over, let's see, did I forget something? Yeah, it should be, that's a 6u. So 2 goes into negative 6, negative 3, and the u's cancel out. Number 14, 9m to the 5th plus 12m to the 4th minus 6m cubed over negative m cubed. Notice the negative sign down there, so be careful. 9 divided by negative 1 is negative 9, and I can take out 3 m's top and bottom, so that leaves me m to the 2nd. Positive 12 divided by negative 1 is negative 12. I can take out 3 m's, leaving me an m on top. And negative 6 divided by a negative 1 is positive 6, and I can cancel the m to the 3rd. So my answer is negative 9m squared minus 12m plus 6. Number 16, 10a squared b minus 15ab squared over 5ab. 5 goes into 10 2 times, cancel out an a, leaving me an a. The b's cancel out. Negative 15 divided by 5 is negative 3. The a's cancel. The b squared, I can take out a b, so I have a b left. So 2a minus 3b. Number 18, 6c cubed d minus 12c d cubed minus 15cd divided by 3cd. I'm going to do this underneath because I'm going to run out of room. You probably are too. 3 goes into 6, 2. I can take out a c, top and bottom, leaving me c squared, and I can cancel the d's. Negative 12 divided by 3 is negative 4. The c's cancel. I can take out a d here and a d here, leaving me d squared. Negative 15 divided by 3 is negative 5. The c's cancel, the d's cancel. So my answer is 2c squared minus 4d squared minus 5. Problem 20, 30p to the 4th q minus 45p cubed q squared plus 15p squared q cubed all over 5p squared q. 30 divided by 5 is 6. P squared into p to the 4th, that leaves me p to the 2nd. Q's cancel. Negative 45 divided by 5 is negative 9. P squares cancel those out, so I have a p left. And q squared divided by q is just q. There's 1 left. Positive 15 divided by 5 is positive 3. The p squares cancel. I can take out a q, so that leaves me q squared. And that concludes the evens. Be sure you check your answers in the back of the book as you do the odds.